Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to achieve this look by making this half and half braided ring extension, which turned out great and I really loved how it looked, so stay tuned. It's always nice to have your hair clean and dry before trying to achieve any hairstyle, and this is the inspiration of today's look and I just loved how it looks, so I'm going to try and achieve it, and I have to say I was very successful, so stay tuned to see how to get this look. So first you're going to need a ring and hair extension, and then you will just take the hair and put it through the ring like that, and then you will want to braid it. Don't mind me, of course it's my ring, it's clean, I can hold it by my mouth, and so you just want to braid it till the end, and don't make tight braids because we are going to flatten them out and stretch them a little bit to make them have a more natural hair look. And this is what you do on one side, and then you will just go ahead and braid the other side, because as you saw the extension has both sides braided, so this will be the lower part which won't be attached to the hair, and then we are going to braid the other side which we will attach to the hair after slicking your hair down. So you just want to repeat the exact same thing, but it's not exact in a sense, because like at the end you won't finish it up because you will be using that to attach to your hair, and you hold it with a rubber band like I did here, and this is the side which gets attached to your natural hair, and this is what I meant by flattening it out, just to make it look nice and natural. And this is how it looks. I really loved how it turned out. I was so impressed by myself, guys. So you're going to slick your hair down with hair gel of your choice. In today's video I will be using another hair gel, which is Dark and Lovely hair gel, and I have to admit it turned out amazing. So you want to section your hair like I did, but honestly you can just section your hair however you want to, but I wanted to try this look. I've been seeing it a lot on YouTube and I wanted to give it a try. So be generous with the hair gel, don't be scared to apply as much as it takes to slick your hair down, and then we're going to use our hairbrush to brush it, and then you will do the sectioned out part last, and don't forget to lay your edges. So this is the ring extension. I added the end of camera, I'm sorry I lost some footage, but they don't even make a big difference, so everything is fine, don't stress. So you're going to attach it first using a hairband because you want to make it nice and secure, and this is why I lost some footage, but I did. Then you're going to use hair, like extra hair, to just make it nice and make it look like it's your actual hair, and don't forget to secure it with bobby pins. And voila, this is the final look. It really turned out great. I am loving this hairstyle as we speak. It just makes people like look at me and wonder I must be a magician, and I like that. So you can use as many bobby pins as you want. Again, don't be scared to secure your hair down. You don't want to be walking and then your hair falls, so just use bobby pins. And voila, this is the final look. It turned out amazing, and if you've watched this video up to here, you probably like it. These are the kinds of videos I make, and I would love to have you as part of my family. So don't forget to subscribe and support a natural hair growing YouTuber, because I am so growing. and I am really loving the support, and that's how it looks at the back. I was not going anywhere, I just felt like looking cute, and this style achieved it. I was looking cute, I felt so nice, and this is the final look. So join the family and subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and I would really love to have you. And for my subscribers already, thank you so much, I appreciate you and I notice you. Thanks for watching. Bye. I gotta tell you guys, I was really feeling myself. I couldn't stop filming. But yeah, this is the final look. So tell me if I achieved the inspiration. I know I did, so just comment in the comment section, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how well you think I did. I'm giving myself a 10, but you guys can give me whatever you feel like. See you on my next one. Bye.